In the fast-moving world of camera technology, there are moments that shake up the entire industry, and it seems Nikon is preparing for one of those moments. Known for its long-standing legacy in photography, Nikon appears ready to make a bold new move, one that has both camera enthusiasts and professionals buzzing with anticipation. For months, rumors have hinted at something major brewing behind closed doors. Now, whispers of a new model potentially called the Nikon ZV are beginning to surface with increasing clarity. While nothing has been officially confirmed, the excitement around this upcoming release suggests it could mark a major shift for Nikon, particularly in the realm of videography. To understand the potential impact of this new camera, it's helpful to reflect on the release of the Nikon Z6 Mark III in 2024. That model represented a big step forward, featuring a 24.5 megapixel stacked sensor with significantly improved readout speeds. Combined with Nikon's Expeed 7 image processor, it could shoot 6K at 60 fps and 4000 at 120 fps, showcasing Nikon's growing focus on video capabilities. However, while impressive, the Z6 Mark III didn't quite enter the elite tier of video-centric cameras. It was a hybrid, strong in both photo and video, but not dominant in either. That's where the ZV is rumored to make its mark, a no-compromise, video-first camera that could compete directly with the likes of Sony's FX3 and Canon's video-centric lineup. Design-wise, the ZV is expected to draw heavy inspiration from the Sony FX3. Compact, rugged, and highly functional, it aims to appeal directly to creators who prioritize video performance over traditional photography features. This could mean the removal of the electronic viewfinder, a decision that aligns with its intended use by videographers who favor screen-based shooting and external monitors. At its core, the ZV is likely to use the same sensor found in the Z6 Mark III, but optimized for video. These tweaks may include better dynamic range, improved color science, and enhanced sharpness, attributes essential for professional filmmakers. Video specs are expected to be top tier. Alongside 6K video at 60 fps in Nikon's NRAW format, there are rumors of 4000 at 120 fps and Full HD at a blistering 240 fps for ultra-slow motion footage. These features place the ZV squarely in the high-performance category, going head-to-head with some of the best compact cinema cameras on the market. Stabilization could be another strong suit. If Nikon integrates in-body image stabilization alongside electronic vibration reduction, handheld shooting would become much more viable, ideal for fast-moving or documentary-style filming. There's also talk of advanced video controls. Features like anamorphic lens support, flexible aspect ratios, and shutter angle control may be on the table, placing this camera in the same conversation as the Panasonic GH6 and other cinema-style options. One key area Nikon appears to be focusing on is heat management. Extended recording times often cause overheating issues in high-resolution cameras, but the ZV might include an active cooling system to prevent interruptions during long shoots, a huge plus for content creators working on extended projects. On the audio front, things look just as promising. The ZV may offer 32-bit float audio, giving professionals higher fidelity and more room for post-production adjustments. Dual USB-C ports are also rumored, one for data transfer and power, the other for audio input, allowing creators to manage complex setups with ease. In 2024, Nikon also acquired Red, a move that signals serious intent in the cinema space. That partnership could play a role in shaping the ZV, potentially bringing high-end features previously found only in Red's lineup to a more compact and accessible device. Overall, the Nikon ZV seems to be shaping up as a serious player in the world of video-first cameras. With a smart design, pro-level specs, and thoughtful features aimed squarely at filmmakers, it could be the bold leap Nikon needs to reassert itself in the modern video market.